So when you and I love that you brought this up because I'm sitting here also processing and listening to you talk about this, and as a parent, um of course we want to create like a supportive and nurturing space at home for a child that is struggling in this way. So what steps can we take as a parent to create that for our child if they have a learning difference?
I think the first step is review the reports from this year, last year, and if you find a consistent pattern, ask the teacher. Or before even asking the teacher, ask the student, I can see that, bring the strength. I can see you are doing relatively better in English, in social studies, in athletics, so you have the potential, you have the strength. And I can see that you are putting your efforts in math. But do you find it difficult that even despite your efforts, it's hard for you?
Okay.
And if say yes or I don't know, reach out to teacher, the math teacher, English teacher, other teacher, and then if same pattern you are hearing from them. So the next time I would say, because learning disability is where we need psychological testing to assess the academic achievement discrepancies in different areas. And the psychological testing or a neuropsychological testing will also give us an idea about the IQ, about the executive functioning, about a lot of other factors. And if all those things are fine, but the child is consistently struggling in that one area, even on those testing, so that will give a clear answer. And also with the psychological testing or a neuropsychological testing, we can also get specific recommendation that parents can advocate in terms of the 504 plan or individualized educational plan or IEP.